Are you ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality from the comfort of your own home? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of starting a business from home. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a remote worker looking for a side hustle, or simply someone with a passion for entrepreneurship, we've got you covered. Welcome to our channel all about Lean Six Sigma and continuous improvement tools. From crafting your business idea to navigating legalities and marketing strategies, we'll walk you through the 9 steps of the process. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. The first step in starting a business from home is identifying your passion and niche. What are you truly passionate about? What skills or expertise do you possess? Your business idea should align with your interests and strengths. Conduct market research to identify potential gaps or opportunities within your chosen niche. A well-crafted business plan serves as the blueprint for your venture. Outline your business goals, target audience, products or services, marketing strategies, and financial projections. This document will not only guide your actions, but also prove invaluable when seeking funding or partnerships. Create a dedicated workspace within your home conducive to productivity. Invest in essential equipment and furniture, ensuring ergonomic design and functionality. Keep your workspace organized and free from distractions to optimize efficiency. Before launching your business, familiarize yourself with the legal requirements and regulations applicable to your industry and location. Register your business name, obtain necessary licenses or permits, and ensure compliance with tax obligations. Consulting with a legal professional or small business advisor can provide invaluable guidance. Before we move on to the next step, if you'd like to learn more about Lean Six Sigma tools and methodologies and how it can help improve customer satisfaction, check out our book on Amazon. Also, if you want to support our work, check out our Patreon page for access to exclusive content. Both links are in the description. In today's digital age, establishing a strong online presence is crucial for business success. Create a professional website showcasing your products or services, and optimize it for search engines to increase visibility. Leverage social media platforms to engage with your audience, share valuable content, and build a loyal following. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy to attract customers and generate sales. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing tactics, including social media marketing, email campaigns, influencer partnerships, and networking events. Consistently monitor and analyze the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, adjusting strategies as needed. Delivering exceptional customer service is key to building long-lasting relationships and fostering customer loyalty. Prioritize responsiveness, professionalism, and personalized attention to address customer inquiries and resolve issues promptly. Positive word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly impact your business growth. As your business grows, remain adaptable and open to evolving market trends and consumer preferences. Continuously innovate your products or services based on customer feedback and market demand. Explore opportunities for expansion, whether through diversification, partnerships, or scaling operations. Balancing the demands of entrepreneurship with personal well-being is essential for long-term sustainability. Establish boundaries between work and leisure time, prioritizing self-care and relaxation. Delegate tasks when necessary and learn to say no to avoid burnout. Remember, a healthy work-life balance is key to achieving overall success and fulfillment. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, so stay patient, persistent, and passionate about your venture. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on entrepreneurship. Until next time, never stop improving.